If you're planning any maintenance this summer or indeed at any other time, we're here to help. Of course, we can supply spare parts for your Boston Matthews and Munchie machines, but we can make doing so even easier. We can provide you with recommended spare parts lists and assembly drawings to make life even easier for you. We can provide all parts right the way through from heaters, haul-off belts, drive shafts, drive rollers, free rollers, mitre gears, worm wheels, right the way through to screws and barrels. And it doesn't matter how old your machine is, we can supply parts for all models, all ages, even for machines going back 70 plus years. Many parts are available ex-stock for rapid delivery.